Hey, I'm Chanel, and today I'm going to show you how to save a photo from your 360 video in a few easy steps in the Insta360 app. So let's get started. Record your videos at 5.7K 30 frames per second to get the best quality photos possible from your 360 videos. In the Insta360 app, choose a 360 video you would like to save a photo from, go to where you would like to take a photo, choose an aspect ratio of your choice, swipe your finger around the screen to reframe, pinch the photo to zoom in and out. To add a color grade, tap Filter. On a bright sunny day, I like to add the A4 filter and change the intensity to 50%. This will give you the Hollywood orange and teal look. Tap the tick to confirm. Once you're happy with the photo, tap Snapshot, and now the photo is saved to your phone. That's it. So now you know how to save photos from your 360 videos. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.